If you have been on YouTube for a very long time and you're still struggling to get good views on your videos, and you're probably wondering, why are my videos getting low views every time I upload, despite the fact that your videos are very good, your title seem very catchy, your thumbnail is good, but yet these low views is just still there. I need you to stop posting. Please do not post your next video. I want you to go right now to your YouTube studio, click on any of your video, okay? Go to the reach of that video. I need you to check this, how viewers find this video, which is your traffic source. Check if you can see number one. The first one should be YouTube recommendation. If you can't see YouTube recommendation, that means YouTube is not recommending your videos. Check for the other ones, other YouTube features. You might actually see suggested features, you may see playlists, you may see notification. Check, but ensure to see that the first one is YouTube recommendation. And if you can't find YouTube recommendation, that means YouTube is not recommending your videos. And that is why no matter what you upload on your channel, you are not getting the views, because YouTube is not pushing your videos to who it's supposed to push your videos to. And peradventure, you've been getting YouTube recommendation on your previous videos, and all of a sudden you can't find this YouTube recommendation or the browse feature under your traffic source. That means there is a problem and you quickly need to solve it. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with us in this video. So if you go to your YouTube studio and you see that YouTube is not recommending your videos, YouTube is not pushing your videos at all, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing step by step on what you need to do at the back end of your channel to get YouTube to start recommending your videos from now on. Okay, so I'm just going to share with us my screen and show us how you need to do it step by step. But before we head into that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Buki. On this channel, I share tips that can help you grow very fast on YouTube, and also share tips and things you need to avoid as a YouTuber so you don't land your channel into trouble. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more tips that can help your channel grow, and lastly, don't forget to share this video to more amazing creators that may actually need this video. With that being said, let's just head straight into the main video. So before I show you the solution for YouTube to start recommending your videos, you need to run this test on your channel. At least you need to take it up from the root. Know if your channel has been shadow banned or not, because if your channel has been shadow banned, the method I want to show you may not work for you. Okay, so now for you to check, you need to go to your YouTube app. Now after you log into your YouTube app, you can see the icons at the bottom where you can see your profile picture. Click on it, okay, and you're going to see this interface. Next thing is for you to click on account. Now it is going to show you all the channels you have. Okay, now you can see where we have had add accounts, manage your Google account. Click on turn on incognito. Okay, that's what you're going to use, turn on incognito. Okay, so now you're going to see this, you are incognito. Now there are two ways you can go about this. Is either you search for your channel name, or you search for the title of a video you've uploaded on your channel before. Okay, you want to type the exact title. So for me, I'm just going to type how I got 1000 subscribers in just 2 days. Okay, this is a popular video on my channel. So now after typing it, just search for it and see. Now you can see that my video popped out. So if you search for your video title or your channel name and it doesn't pop up, or YouTube is not showing your video or your channel, that means there's a problem. Your channel has been shadow banned, or YouTube has reduced how it distributes your videos. Okay, now, after doing this, the next place you need to check is your YouTube studio. Okay, so we're just going to go to the desktop version. If you're using your phone, use studio.youtube.com. Follow through this process, continue to studio, and it is going to take you to your dashboard. And this is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. So the next place you want to click on is the settings. Click on the settings icon. Now once it opens, you're going to see it like this. Click on channel, then you're going to see this. Click on feature eligibility. Now you need to make sure that these three features are turned on: the standard, intermediate, and advanced feature, because especially for the advanced feature, if it is not enabled, your channel may be getting some kind of limitations, which you don't want, because it may actually limit how YouTube also recommends your video. Now to the main method to make YouTube start recommending your videos, right still under your channel dashboard, look for customization. All these icons at the left side, look for customization, and then you're going to click on it. And this is the interface you're going to see. You're going to see profile and home tab, but this is not where we're going. The main place you want to do that method is on the home tab. So click on home tab. Now, once you click on home tab, this is what you're going to see. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. If you've not turned on this feature, or you're leaving a lot of views on the table, and this is how it's going to look like on your dashboard. When you turn this on, it will start showing your content to the home tab and showcase it to your audience as well. So the first thing is toggle the home tab so that you can have access to the other features. So after turning on the home tab, you can see the layout is now clickable. Okay, now what you now need to do is click on where you can see add sessions. Once you click on add session, you're going to see channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers, and then like the first thing you want to make sure you add is the channel trailer. Now this channel trailer is very important as a small channel. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on it. Now you're going to see this after clicking on channel trailer that you should choose a specific video. Now you want to make sure that you choose your best performing video, like the video that is doing extremely very well currently on your channel. So I'm just going to use this particular video as my channel trailer. Now you can see channel trailer are for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So whoever is coming to your channel for the very first time, this is the video that is going to welcome them to your channel. So that's why I said use your best performing video as your channel trailer. Now the next thing is go to the add session. So you're going to click on spotlight for returning subscribers. This is very important. Okay, now once you click on it, it is going to tell you to choose a specific video which you want it to be the spotlight of your channel for your returning subscribers. Okay, so you're just going to look for another top performing video on your channel and use that as the spotlight video on your channel. So I choose the video already. You can see featured video for returning subscribers. So this is like you arranging your channel for YouTube to be able to know who to recommend your videos to and how to recommend your videos. Now the next thing is go back to the add session, click on for you, which is the most important one. Right now you can see YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content, which means you need to have enough content on your channel for these settings to work for you. Okay, so now the next thing is click on more settings that you can see right inside the for you. And this is what it's going to look like. What you include in the for you section, the for you section will only be visible blah blah blah. Just like I said, you need to have enough content. These are the type of content that algorithm is going to push: videos, shorts, and live stream. Now this is the most important one: recency. Under recency, you can see we have all contents. Mine is toggled on, and in brackets we have recommended. So YouTube is actually telling you that we recommend that you click on the first one, which is all content. Now this is you telling YouTube that I want you to start recommending all my content, every video that I have on my channel. So if you go to your own studio and you see that you only clicked on recent content only, please change it and change it back to all content, because it is not going to recommend all your content. It will only be recommending the recent one. So you want to make sure that you click on all content which is recommended. Okay, the next one you need to do is to go back to your add session and click on popular videos. Okay, now it is going to show every popular videos which you have on your channel. Right now, still go back to the add session, and I want to show you one important one. Now once you click on the add session, you can see that we still have some few ones we've not utilized. So the important one I want to show you also is the featured channels. Featured channels is very good. I just discovered this particular settings and it's actually very good. Now what this settings does is that you can choose a channel to display on your home page, just like your videos are displaying. You can choose a particular channel to also display on your own page. Now for example, if you own two channels, one is actually bigger than the other and you're trying to grow the other small channel, you can add your smaller channel to the bigger channel by featuring that channel on your bigger channel. Now that way you are not just you telling the algorithm to recommend the small channel, but you are also telling your audience that check out my new page, check out my new channel. Do you understand? And this also works if you have a creator friend in the same niche. You can tell that person that please, I would like you to add my channel so that it can feature on your own homepage. So whoever goes to that big person's channel will also see your channel link, or will also see your channel on that person's channel. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but that is what I'm saying. This feature is very good. So for me, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add my first channel to this feature, I'm just going to type my channel name and voila, here it is. You can see this is my first channel, my first ever channel on YouTube with 91 subscribers. Okay, so if I want to drive traffic from my main channel, Daily Tip with Bookie, to this particular channel, I'm just going to click on this particular channel and then I'm going to add a title to it. Okay, it's also very important. So I'm just going to add check out my other channel. Okay, so once you're done, just click on done and that way you're going to save your work. Okay, you can see featured channel, check out my other channel. So whoever comes to my channel, Daily Tips with Bookie, is going to see this other channel. So I'm not just driving traffic from my main channel, but I'm also telling YouTube that please, I want you to recommend my other channel. And once you're done with this, just go to the top of the interface and click on publish so that you can save your work, and that way you leave the rest to YouTube and also pray. You understand, this works so well. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, drop me a comment, and I'm also going to see my next one. Bye.